Now let us consider an example to understand this phenomena of reflex action better. This is a hot plate. If a person touches this hot plate by accident or unknowingly, so what happens? The person will immediately withdraw his hands. Yes, this withdrawal of hand is a reflex action. Withdrawal of hand is a response which is shown towards the stimulus heat. What if the reflex action doesn't work properly? Definitely this person is going to burn his hand. Hence, we can understand the importance of reflex action very well in our body. So what happens during this process of reflex action? What happens as in how the impulses are transmitted, from which neuron to which neuron the impulses are transmitted, and how the action of withdrawal of the hand is taken into place. Let's see how. The sensory neurons are associated with the sense organ skin in this example, skin of the hands. When the skin receives the stimulus heat, immediately this sensation or the stimulus of the heat will be transmitted to the sensory neurons which are present in the skin cells. The sensory neurons will be responsible for transmitting this sensation or the impulse in the form of an electrical or a nervous impulse all along the length of the neurons which are present in the pathway of the sensory nerves. So, once this is passed, it will ultimately reach the spinal cord. Remember, spinal cord is responsible for carrying out the reflex action. Once the electrical impulses from the sensory nerve reaches the spinal cord, it will be passed on to the relay neurons. Relay neurons or association neurons are present at the center of the spinal cord, which are responsible for joining the pathway between the sensory neuron and the motor neurons. Once the impulses are passed on to the relay neurons, it will pass these electrical impulses to the motor neurons. Motor neuron will be responsible for carrying these impulses away from the spinal cord all along its length, finally towards the effector organ, which are nothing but the muscles of the hand. Once these impulses reach the hand muscles, it will be responsible for contraction and immediate withdrawal of the hand from the hot plate.